Hello, loves. Just checking in to share a little bit about my process today with the healing bubble manifestation. I have been working nonstop, constant. That was the plan while I'm staying at my friend's. Like, I'm basically just sitting at my computer all day, every day, and getting so much work on my business done before I'm back into van life. And it's exhausting. It's not healthy to stay at the computer and sit for long periods like this. So today my body was craving just getting up and going for a walk. And finally I just accepted the invitation. And it was amazing. The walk was so refreshing. And I ended up playing nostalgic music for me, and it's music that vibrates with the energy of what I am looking and moving towards manifesting in my life. And so I just started envisioning that manifestation as if it's happened, and the feeling of it, and the music really transported me into that energy. And so it was so tangible for me. And I could tell I was just walking and smiling. And then I worked on holding my light bubble around it. So I created it first. I created the manifestation of where my life is going, and then I solidified it with my healing bubble. And now that I already created it, I can go back easier, especially tonight before I go to bed, and recreate that full sensory experience that is already there and it's ready to go. It's in the energy, it's happening. It's just the process into the physicality. Hope that helps with the healing bubble exercise, manifestation, energy, amazingness.